So currently on my way to Cycle Gear to do an oil change on this beautiful bike that I got. Trying to keep up with the maintenance. Usually every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. I like to stay within the every 3,000 range. But hopefully they have the oil that I'm looking for. So I'm looking for a 15 by 50 weight. I've seen reviews and fellow biker, man. And yeah, I was told to run 15 by 50 or either 10 by 40, but 15 by 50 is a better weight, especially in this Vegas weather where it gets super hot, fucking scorching. And yeah, I was told it just works better in heat. So hopefully they have the full synthetic that I'm looking for. So good outside today, man. Damn. Oh, it feels too good. I was like, you know what? Let me make a video of me changing the oil. You know, just a quick video to pump out. I know I haven't been as consistent as I would like to be. I've just been super busy with work, super busy with Instagram, really. And just trying to, you know, do the reels and whatnot. Not really been focusing much on YouTube. Get back to it. Like I said, quick video. I was like, you know what, let me just come out and ride. And then the brilliant idea came. I was like, you know what, I'm due for an oil change. I mean, not really due, but like I said, I want to stay within that 2,500 to 3,000 for me personally to change my oil. I was like, let me just do that, make this into a video. And you know, why not give me a little ride going there, the Cycle Gear, give me a little ride coming back, do the oil change, and that's that. And I also bought some new accessories for the bike. I'll probably put that in the next video. I can't put it in this one. It'd be too long of a video if I did that. Oh man, it feels too good. Damn. Man, it feels too good outside. Too good. Almost wants to make me stay out all day until like 5 p.m. just riding. But like when I'm off, because today is, I believe it's Wednesday today, and I don't think nobody's out riding like that. I think everybody's at work. Like that. I think everybody's at work, or yeah, just not home riding. That's look at that. No hands, baby. Oh, no hands. Just how she like it. Look at that. Yes, sir. Oh, let me slow down, woman. Better get out the goddamn street. Oh. Cycle Gear is literally just up ahead. Oh. Okay, whoa. Yo, I've really got to tiptoe this motherfucker. God damn. This level right here, it's not even. I could have parked my ass up there if I wanted to. Shit. Oh, it feels too goddamn good outside. So I ended up going with the 1040 weight. Just because, well, for one, it's fucking cheaper. Two, it's really not that hot right now to have. We are on our way back home. Quick little ride. Only pros know how to do this. Time to head home, get some gas, stop at Smith's because they got the best, probably like the cheapest 91 there is. Oh man, I forgot to tie down my goddamn helmet. Just absolutely nasty. All right, let's make this quick stop at Smith's and then get home, do this little oil change. Oh, it's the cheapest gas here, cheapest 91 in town. Smith's. I'm average male height, by the way. I don't want nobody coming after me. Shoot, I might practice wheelies on this road. So as of late, I've been able, I only practice on weekends or like on my way home on that little road and a little bit after I get home from work, but nothing like crazy. And so far I've only been able to get it up maybe like an inch. Woo! See, that was just a little bit. I got it up an inch. Not rushing things, just slowly, you know, slowly progressing, slowly getting up an inch, 2 inch, and I'll, hopefully one day I'll be like up here, you know, just taking it little by little. It's just patience. I'm not trying to be a wheelie master in like 2 weeks or whatever.